Hello students, good morning. Students, today is 16th July 2020. Chapter 4 was going on and the name of chapter is Factors and Multiples. Okay students, and this is your page number 1 of today's class. Students, in the last class I have started mixed bag questions, and in the mixed bag questions I have also completed A and B part of question number 1. There have in question number there have 4 parts A B C D. A B has been finished. Now I want to start the C part of question number 1. Topic is based on the mixed bag. Okay, and now question number 1, C part. So look here and listen carefully. C part. In the C part, the question has been given: the product of the HCF and LCM of two numbers is 48. Full stop. If one of the number is 6, comma, what is the other number? Question mark. Option number 1 has been given 8. Option 2 has been given 4. Option 3 has been given 6. And option 4th has been given 12. So look here. At the time of the exercise of 5, I have told to you one formula. Look the solution here. The formula was product of two numbers is equal to product of their HCF and LCM. Okay, so on the basis of that formula I will find the answer, correct answer. So here it has been asked about what is the other number. So let us other number is equal to x. हमने सपोज कर लिया कि हमारा अदर नंबर क्या है, x है, and one number has been given, and you know about the formula product of two number. One number is 6 and another number is x. So 6 into x is equal to product of their HCF. HCF का product दिया हुआ है बेटा. The product of HCF has been given of two numbers, that is 48. Okay. So as you know students, 6 in your left hand side is given in the multiplication symbol. So when it has been transferred to the right hand side, so it has been converted on the basis of the division. So x is equal to 48 divided by 6. So 6 8s are 48. So x is equal to 8. So what is x? We have think about the other number is x. So you will write therefore. This is a symbol of therefore. Other number is equal to 8. So what will be your answer? 8 has been given in your option number 1. So you will write other number, first option 8. Clear students? If you have doubt, then you can also ask the query. Okay beta? Now see the another question in the next page. This is your page number 2 of today's class. Now D part of question number 1. Look here. In D part, question is if a number is divisible by 16, comma, it is also divisible by point number 1, option 1, 2, option 2, 4, option 3, 8, ऑप्शन 4 ऑल ऑफ दीज. ओके, सो यहाँ क्वेश्चन बेटा क्या दे रहा है, अगर कोई नंबर आपकी 16 से डिवाइड होती है तो वो डिविजिबल किससे होगी, 2 से, 4 से, 8 से या इन सब से. सो हियर लुक द आंसर, देयर इज नो सॉल्यूशन, ओनली लिसन एंड राइट द आंसर. ओके, यू नो अबाउट दैट 16. आई वांट टू टेक वन एग्जांपल, माना 16 ही है, ठीक है. आई वांट टू टेक दैट नंबर 16. 16 को अगर हम 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे सो इट विल बी ऑल्सो डिविजिबल बाई 2 बिकॉज वंस नंबर इज 6. So if the ones number is 2, 4, 6, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, so that number is divisible by 2. So it means 16 will be divisible by 2. अगर माना हम ये 16 को लेते हैं 4 से डिवाइड होगी, so you can also find 4 4s are 16 and you can also see it 8 2s are 16. So it means 16 is also divisible by 16. 16 1 16 and वो 2 से भी डिवाइड हो रही है, 4 से भी हो रही है, 8 से भी हो रही है. If you want to take another number means 16 2s are 32. 32 is the even number, so it is also divisible by 2. 4 4 8s are 32. 8 4s are 32. So it means that number is also divisible by all of these. So you will write the answer. Answer is for all of these. Clear, students? Now question number 2. It was your D and C and D part of question number 1. So now question number 4. Put tick if divisible and cross if not divisible. Okay. So look here. Numbers has been given here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10. Okay. From that type of the numbers you will divisible by has been given. So it has students 8 part. I will solve 4 parts and remaining 4 parts solved by you. Okay. I will solve the 4 parts alternatively. Okay. So here it has been given number and here divisible by. Okay, and it has 7 divisible by. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. It has 6 column. 2 3 4 5 6 9 and 10. I will solve 4 part and you will solve remaining 4 part. Okay. So A, C, E and G I will solve and remaining B, D, F and H you will solve. Number has been given. A number 95. C has been given 275. E has been given 1350 1350 and H has been given E F G H no so G has been given 66,660. Okay, so these are the 4 numbers that will be divisible by 2 3 4 5 6 9 10. So look here how. Listen students, first I want to take 95. 95 in 95 one's number is 5 and you know about that. If in one's number 0 2 4 6 8 so that number will be divisible by 2, otherwise no. So here number has been given 5 so it will not be divisible by 2, so you will put cross. Okay, and you know about the rule of 3 also. If the sum of the digits will be divisible by 3 so that number will be also divisible by 3, otherwise no. So 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. 14 will not be divisible by 3, so it will also not divisible by 3. Okay, now next number is 4 divisible by 4, so 4 will not be divisible, 95 will not be also divisible by 4. You know about the rule. If last 2 digits it means tens and ones and tens digit will be also divisible by 4, it means 95 is divisible by 4. आपके लास्ट के 2 डिजिट 4 से डिवाइड होने चाहिए, अगर नहीं होते हैं तो नहीं होगा. So 95 will not be divisible by 4. You can also check it with the help of the division. 95 will also divisible by 5. So what is the rule? I have told to you, if one's number is 0 or 5 अगर आपका वंस नंबर 05 है, so that number will be divisible by 5, otherwise no. Here once number is 5, so it will be also divisible by 5. Clear? And what is the rule of the 6? If any number will be divisible by both 2 and 3, so that number will be divisible by 6, otherwise no. So 95 ना ही 2 से गया ना ही 3 से गया, so 6 से भी ये divide नहीं होगा. Okay, so you will put the cross here. Then rule relates from the divisible by 9. If the sum of the digits will be divisible by 9, so that number will be also divisible by 9. So 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. And you know, students, 14 will not be divisible by 9, so it will also not divisible by 9. So you will put here cross. Then next, divisible by 10. The rule of the 10 is, I have told to you, if one's number is 0, so that number will be divisible by 2, otherwise no. Here one's number is 5, so that number will not be divisible by 10. Okay. So you will put cross here. Same pattern you will also follow here. 2 one's number में 5 है, so it will not be divisible by 2. Then you will add it 2 plus 7 9, 9 plus 5 14. It will be not divisible by 3 also. And last 2 digit is 75, so it will also not divisible by 4. Last one's number is 5, so it will be divisible by 5. And that number is not divisible by 2 and 3 both, so that number will also not divisible by 6. Okay, and 9, 2 plus 7 9, 9 plus 5 14. 14 is not divisible by 9 because that is the sum. So 275 is also not divisible by 9. Here one's number is 5, so it also not divisible by 10. So you will put cross here also. Clear, students? Now look the third number, that is 1350. One's number is 0, so it means that will be also divisible by 2. Now divisible by 3, look here. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. 9 plus 0 is equal to 9. 9 will be divisible by 3. So it means that will be also divisible by 3. Last 2 digits are 50. Okay, when you divide it 4, so it will not be divisible. So 1350 is also not divisible by 4. Here one's number is 0. अगर one's number 0 या 5 होता है, so that number will be also divisible by 5. So that number is divisible by 5. Now look here, 1350 is divisible by both 2 and 3, so that number is also divisible by 6. Clear? Now the digits, sum of the digits is 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, 4 plus 5 is equal to 9, 9 plus 0 is equal to 9. 9 will be divisible by 9, so it is also divisible by 9. 1350 is also divisible by 9. Here one's number is 0, one's number is 0, so that number will also divisible by 10. So you will put tick. Okay. Then after that, fourth digit, G part. Look here. In G part, the number has been given 66,660. Here one's number is 0, so it will be divisible by 2. Sum of the digit is 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. 12 plus 6 is equal to 18. 18 plus 6 is equal to 24. 24 plus 0 is equal to 24. And 24 is also divisible by 3. Okay. And here the last 2 digits are 60. So you know about that. 60 will be divisible by 4. So that number is also divisible by 4. Okay. Now one's number is 0. So if the one's number is 0 or 5, so that number is also divisible by 5. So 66,660 is divisible by 5 also. Okay. And you know about that, students. If any number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, so that number is also divisible by 6. Okay. Now 9, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 6, 18, 18 plus 6, 24, 24 plus 0 is equal to 24. And 24 is not divisible by 9, so 66,660 is also not divisible by 9. Okay. And students, you know about the rule regarding the 10. If the one's number is 0, so that number will be also divisible by 10, so that number is divisible by 10. So students, 4 part I have solved. Remaining 4 part I will provide to you in your homework. So now look question number 3rd. In question number 3rd, it has been given find the HCF. Okay. It has also 8 questions. So I will solve 4 and remaining solve 4 by you. Okay. So A part has been given 16 and 36. Okay. And here student, it has not been given how can you find out the HCF, regarding which method you will applicable. So you can find HCF एज पर योर इजी मेथड, जो आपको इजी लगता है आप उसी मेथड से आप HCF फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो हियर. ओके, so here students, I think prime factorization method is so easy method here, so I will solve it with the help of the prime factorization. So look the solution. Prime factors of 16, okay, and you will also find out the prime factors of 36. Okay, so you will find the prime factor in the rough column in a easy way. Draw the rough column. First number 16 has been given. 16 will be divisible by 2. 2 8s are 16, then 2 4s are, then 2 2s are, and 2 1s are. So you have find out 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Same 36. 36 का फैक्टर्स आप निकालेंगे सेम मेथड से. 2 18s are, 2 9s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. Okay. So you have find out 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So you can see it here. What are the common factors? So common factors is equal to 2 here, 2 times is the common. It means 2 into 2 is the common. Therefore HCF is equal to 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So you will write the answer HCF is equal to 4. Clear students? Any doubt? So now next page, please turn over. Okay, look the next page. Students, this is your page number 3rd of today's class. Okay, so now B part, numbers has been given 12 and 32. I will provide to you in your homework. Okay, so look C part. In C part the numbers has been given 18 and 45. Okay, so look the solution. Factors of 18 is equal to and factors of 45 is equal to. So same method you will solve. You will find out the factors in the rough column. Look here, 18, 2 9s are 18, then 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Now next 45. So 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, then 3 5s are 15, and 5 will be only divisible by 5, 5 1s are 5. So here you will write 2 into 3 into 3. Okay, then after that 3 into 3 into 5. Okay, so here you will find out the common factors. So common factors, prime factor, here you will write prime factor also. Okay, so common factors is equal to 3 into 3 is equal to 3 3s are 9. Therefore HCF is equal to 9. So you will write the answer HCF is equal to 9. Okay, D part I will also provide to you in your homework. The numbers has been given in D part 27 and 35. Okay, there are 10 parts in question number 3rd. Okay, from A to J, 5 I will solve and 5 I will provide to you in your homework in the question number 3rd. Okay beta. E part, the numbers has been given 27 and 36. So same thing you will follow. Prime factors of 27, prime factors of 27 is equal to, then after that prime factors of 36 is equal to. So look here, how can you find out it here? 27 will be divisible by which smallest number? 3. Okay, so 3 9s are 27, then 9 3 3s are, then 3 1s are. So you will write here 3 into 3 into 3, then 36, 2 1s are, then 18, 2 9s are, then 3 3s are, then 3 1s are. Okay, so here you have find out 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So what are the common factors? So you will write here common factors is equal to common factors. You can see it here, 3 into 3 2 times, here the common 2 times here and 2 times here, so that are the common factors. So 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Therefore HCF is equal to 9. So you will write the answer HCF is equal to 9. Clear, students? Any doubt? If you have any doubt, then you can also ask the query. Okay, now next page. This is your page number 4 of today's class. F part of question number 3rd I will also provide to you in your homework. Numbers has been given 15, 25 and 35, so it will be in your homework. Now look G part. G part I will solve 14, 30 and 56. Here there are the 3 numbers, so you will find out the factors. So look the solution. Prime factors of 14, then prime factors of 30, then prime factors of 56. So look here, rough. First number 14, 2 7 ja, then 7 1 ja. So your prime factor is 14 is 2 into 7, then 30. You will also find out 30. It will be divisible by 2 firstly, then 15, then 3 5s are 15, then 5 1 ja 5. So your prime factor is 2 into 3 into 5. Then students 56, it will be divisible by 2, 2 2s are 2 8s are, then 2 1 ja 2 4s are, 2 7 ja, then 7 1 ja. Okay, so you will write it here 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. So what are the common factors here? You can see it, common factors is equal to, here you can see it, common factors is only 2. So therefore HCF is equal to 2. So you will write the answer HCF is equal to 2. Clear, students? Okay, so H part I will also provide to you in your homework. H part has been given 20, 30 and 40. Okay, so students, today's class में इतना ही. Okay.